Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. Today I will prove to you that magic in technology exists. With the help of the amazing Photoshop team, I will show you that we have Photoshop magic. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So guys, let's rock and roll. I have opened two different versions of Photoshop. Photoshop Beta. You can download Photoshop Beta from your Creative Cloud app. Simply open your Creative Cloud app, search for Photoshop Beta, download it, and you're ready to go. Also, I have opened a released version of Photoshop, Photoshop 2025. Before we will start working on our magic, I would like to show you one extra step you will need to apply. When you will launch Photoshop Beta, simply go to Photoshop settings. From here, click on image processing, and you will need to change setting for select subject and remove background. Simply switch from device to cloud processing. So switch from device to cloud, and after that you will need to restart your application. You will need to restart your Photoshop. I did it already, so I will be not restarting it right now. Same applies to Photoshop 2025, Photoshop released version. Simply go to settings, image processing, and switch change setting from select subject and remove background. Switch from device to cloud, and yes, you will need to restart your Photoshop. I did it already, so I will be not doing it again. And I would like to start with this very sweet image. So what I would like to do, I would like to remove background around this one. I will be using contextual taskbar with all my examples. So what I will do, guys, I will click on remove background using contextual taskbar. Simply click on remove background and look at this. Photoshop removed a background around this one. Not too bad. Still needs some work. If I will show you the layer mask, you will see that pretty decent job, but Photoshop can do better, and I will prove it. Now I will switch to Photoshop Beta. So currently my Photoshop Beta app is active and using same image, using same contextual taskbar. So by the way, you can, if you didn't open contextual taskbar before, simply go to window and from here click on contextual taskbar. I will be using same option, same remove background. I will click on it and look at this, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this work, guys. Let me show you layer mask. Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is the Photoshop magic I was talking about. Look at this. Look at this great mask. Oh, I'm so happy. Let me show you another example. So I switched to Photoshop 2025, Photoshop released version, and here I have image picture I took in Paris. What I would like to do, of course, I would like to remove background, and I will be using same remove background tool. I will click on it, and Photoshop will remove background around this Eiffel Tower. Look at this. Photoshop did a decent job, not a perfect job, not a great job, but okay job. Some details are missing and everything like that. Let me show you the mask. It's okay, not perfect, it's okay. Now I will switch to Photoshop Beta using same image, using same remove background tool. Look at this magic. Guys, look at this magic. Look at all this beauty. Oh my god. Let me show you the layer mask. Guys, look at this. Oh my god. Thank you, Photoshop team. Thank you. Guys, this is super impressive. Please agree with me. This is super impressive. Now I will show you another example. I have few examples for you. This image I took in Italy again, and what I would like to do, I would like to remove the sky. To do so, I will click on remove background, same tool. We will be using only one tool today, and look at this. Not too good, not too good. This image needs some work. Let me show you the layer mask. Look at this. It's okay. Not good. Now I will switch to Photoshop Beta using same image, using same remove background tool. Yes, guys, look at this. Oh my God, guys, look at this mask. Look at this. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, guys. Yes, this is impressive. This is super impressive. Let's go further. I switched to Photoshop released version, Photoshop 2025, and here I have more complicated image for you. Look at this. Of course, we can remove this background using different tools in Photoshop, but why if we can do everything much faster and better? Using same remove background tool in contextual taskbar, look at this. And you want me to show the layer mask? Not too impressive, guys, not too impressive. If I will switch back to Photoshop Beta, using same image, same remove background in contextual taskbar, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is impressive. And look at this impressive layer mask. Guys, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. It's incredible, incredible. Let me show you another example. The last example, it's more complicated because we have bicycle with all details, usual bicycle details. And also we have all street details. We have a lot of details. We have very busy image. Can Photoshop remove everything around the bicycle? Let's try. I'm using Photoshop 2025, Photoshop released version. I will click on remove background in the contextual taskbar and look at this. Photoshop remove background, and along with our background, Photoshop removed some details in our bicycle. And this is the mask. Not too impressive. It's not too bad if we will take to consideration the difficulties, how difficult this image is. But if I will switch to Photoshop Beta, same image, same remove background tool from the same contextual taskbar. Let's click on it and look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at all these details we have in our bicycle. Let me show you the layer mask. Guys, please say with me, oh my God. Oh my God. Now, what I will do, I will add a new empty layer. I will fill this layer with some gradient, just random gradient, just like that. I will rearrange my layers and look at this, guys. Look at this. This is our bicycle. Guys, this is impressive. I hope you're screaming right now. I hope you cannot wait to try it, Photoshop Beta. Please do it. Please remove something from complicated background and let me know. What do you think? I hope, I know you will scream and you will telling to everyone, oh my God, did you try Photoshop Beta? Did you try it? Did you try remove background in Photoshop Beta? So guys, if you will do something, if you will remove background from your image using Photoshop Beta, please share it on your social media platforms and tag me in your post. I'm on Blue Sky, Instagram, LinkedIn, and on Threads. Also, I'm on Reddit. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Enjoy Photoshop beta right now. Bye guys.